a 5-0. Go. His Holiness pretty much. Okay. Smells good. Oh, fucking hell. Fucking hell. Okay, that was slippy as fuck. Oh my god! They're literally strained. I was like, oh, he's not going very fast. He kind of stopped and then.
So bad for his engine.
Yeah.
Listen, it's like
He keeps doing it. Alright, cheeky cyclist. She's just chilling in the middle of the road. She's just chilling. That's basically her. Chill, so chill. Getting the sofa for free. That's how we do. Ah, university. University is an interesting place. There's a pretty sweet car. What the fuck is that? And that, my son, is how you doing. Yeah, sucker. Oh fuck! What the shit? Wow, that was interesting. I also got hit in the eye with a bug. It wasn't very nice, but you know, just looked like a crime. Oh. I tried, you know. I tried. Yeah, boy. Oh, fuck it. Oh. My bad.
Did you video it? Did you watch back the video?
I've got this thing where I've got that remote on my handlebars. That's my remote. And so when I press it, it records. Okay, so yeah, so now it's recording the last 30 seconds and the next minute of what's happening. So I have a video of it.
Oh, Jay, you can see it on the top.
Oh, do I really want to come for a ride on the van?
I know I really want to, but I've never done it before.
You can lose it all off, yeah.
No. It's because like until
Where do you keep it?
Keep what?
Do you keep it around like the side of your house?
Oh, in the garden? Oh, sorry.
Make it look like a little mole.
Creeper.
Do you want to mess with our bit?
Yeah, we see. Yeah, no, we really.
Yeah. Cool girl.
Can you hear me? Thanks for your help.
No, that's cool. Thanks for the dinner. It was awesome. The chicken was really good. Thanks.